M.2 slot.
Are you sure that's the M.2 slot?
Yes. You can see, like, you got the red headphone jack, the green headphone jack, and the blue headphone jack, and you've got the Ethernet cable, you've got that CMOS battery, you've got like 3 PCIes. Oh, you've got it! As you can see, the SSD is clearly above the GPU PCIe.
Are you sure that's clearly, yeah?
Yeah, we've got the VGA, we've got the 4 USB ports, the CPU.
Charlie, I think you're missing the CPU, mate. I think you're missing the CPU.
1 minute. Well, let me just put it back in. 1 minute.
Is it back in?
Think so. What in the bikini bottom, mate? SpongeBob! We going,